Welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today, we're going to create a stunning, double outline text effect that instantly makes your design look bold and professional. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. Choose a plain background color that gives good contrast. For example, I'll use black so the text effect is easy to see. Now click on the text option from the left sidebar and add a heading. Type your text, maybe something like "Keep smiling." Make it large and center it on your canvas. With your text selected, let's first choose a strong, bold font, because the double outline effect looks best on thicker lettering. Once you've picked your font, go to the top toolbar and click Effects. You'll see options like Shadow, Neon Splice, and Outline. We're going to use Outline. When you click it, you'll see a thickness slider. Drag it all the way to the right. Make it as bold as possible. For me, I'll set it to 200, which gives a nice thick outer border. Then choose a bright outline color, like white. It stands out perfectly on dark backgrounds. Next, click on the text box and press Ctrl+D or Command+D on Mac to duplicate it. You'll now have two identical text layers, one on top of the other. Select the top layer, go back to Effects, Outline, and change the color. For example, if your bottom outline is white, make this one black or use a contrasting tone. This time, reduce the thickness to around 50 or 60, so it creates a thinner inner outline. It looks bold, clean, and professional. Now we're going to turn this text into an image so we can add a little more magic. On the left sidebar, click Apps, then search for Design to Image. Once it appears, click Convert to Image. Then click Export. Canva will take a moment to process and convert your design. Just give it a few seconds. When it's ready, you'll see the option to add to current page or create a new one. I'm going to add a new blank page, then insert that converted image onto it. Now our double outline text has been turned into an editable image. Ready for the next step. Click on your new text image. Go to Edit Photo, Background Remover. Canva will erase the solid background, leaving only your double outline text floating perfectly. Let's add some final style to make it pop even more. Add a new gradient background. Pick one that matches your vibe. Light pinks for soft designs, or blues and purples for bold ones. Place it behind your text. And there you have it. Your double outline text effect now looks absolutely stunning. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my next Canva design hack. Tell me in the comments, what Canva effect should I show next? Drop your ideas below and I might feature your suggestion in my next video. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.